In order to pursue and gain business insight, you have to work with those who know the road. This is the best secret. If you don't work with those who know the road, you will get lost. So who have made it, work with those, move with those who know the road, the right path to break destiny. If you are required to seek a financial success or financial goods as quickly as possible, I'm going to show you this important thing which I acknowledge it worth it. So starting a car business is more important. How to make it happen is very simple. By using less than 10,000 Ghana cedi, purchase a Ghanaian used car, work on it, sell it, and you are good to go. I know a lot of guys who have been into this business and they have blew a lot. Starting as low as 10,000 Ghana cedi will make you blow enough. So this is what we are going to do. Start as little as 10,000 Ghana cedi. And you are good to go. Don't start buying big cars, huge cars, expensive cars. Start with low cars like the Matis Tray, all these small cars. If you want to do it, you are going to blow. Go to rural areas, buy a car as low as 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, 8,000. Bring it, work on it nicely, spray it, sell, get your money, start another one. Within a year and its pace, you will pursue. You will blow a lot, I'm telling you. You will blow. Don't sit down making all these things pass away, gone like that. People are doing it behind the scene, and this is what they are doing. So try as much as possible to use the money that you have put in the bank. Doesn't bring anything. Just start buy and sell of Ghanaian used cars. Sell it, go for another one. Sell it, go for another one. This is what everybody is doing. This is the main thing behind the scene. The quickest business to make money, the best way to make money now is to buy and selling of cars. I tell you, and I'm going to review everything to you. This is what people are doing. And buying or selling of cars is a big business in Ghana here. If you own an old car, you can sell it and gain double. Why are you sitting down waiting for some huge money before you start a business? Meanwhile, you can start with little as 10,000 Ghana cedi and explode. This is how you can able to break your financial challenges, and this is how you can able to pursue your financial freedom. It's worth it. It's valid for money. It's a big business. It's a serious business people are doing, and no one is telling you. But we, Eric Center, is here to announce to you that this is the best way to pursue. Okay, this is the best way to do it. As little as 10,000 Ghana cedi, you can able to blow up. It doesn't need any magic. It only needs effort, dedication, perseverance, and consistency to break the record, to break the deadlock. If you have more than 10,000, you are good to go. If you have 10,000 lesser, start it. I tell you, you are going to make it. You are going to explode. This is what everybody is doing. So why are you sitting down waiting for all this while you don't know what to do? It is the right path to break financial challenges. The best alternative to make money right now with little as 10,000 Ghana cedi is to start a business, a car business, buy and sell, which is going to help you. If you are new here and you haven't yet subscribed to Eric Auto Center, please do so to subscribe, share the video, and comment. If you want more one-on-one consultation, please link me or email me. My email will put in the video description, and we can proceed, take it from there. This is what we do. Share the video. I'll do part 2 of this video, part 3 and part 4. So we are not going to end now, so that I can able to give you guys more insightful content, insightful information about how to get money, get rich quicker, buying and sell of cars. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.